Assalamualaikum warahmatullah everyone. My name is MD Atik Al Ishraq. This is our project named IoT based automatic plant watering system. So let's jump into it. My group members are Sujit Dotto, Tahmid Hassan, Nazmul Ahsan, and Kallol. Why we need this project? I want to mention some points. Point number one, solve the problem of taking care of plants by individuals. But point number two is supplies the required amount of water, reducing wastage. Purpose of this project that reduce the effort required to care for plants by automated the watering system. In this project, our goal and target is develop a fully automated system to water plant without any intervention. Now let's get some motivation from this project to explore the demonstrate the potential of IoT in addressing real-world problems or to develop technical expertise in IoT. That's all. Thank you, everyone.
So objective of the project. So objective of our project is automated watering, save time, remote control, water conservations, and affordable solutions. So next slide is components. Very first, our first component is ESP32 DevKit version 1. This is one of the major component of our project, and this provides Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Then the next component is capacitive soil moisture sensor version 2.0. So this component is used for measuring the soil moisture. Then the next component is DHT11 sensor. So this sensor is basically measures temperatures and humidity. Then the next component is relay 12 volt. This relay 12 volt is basically a switch, is act like a switch in our project. The next component is 555 timer IC. This is basically a versatile integrated circuit that generate timing signal. And this IC should generate timing signal to our project. Then the next component is 12 volt DC pump and solenoidal valve. This is basically a pump that will control the flow of water in our system. So in this slide we are basically discussed about the major component we used in our project. But we used basic component like resistor, transistor, etc, wire, etc, but that not mentioned in our project. So next part we'll discuss our next member.
Hello, my name is Sujit Datta. As you know, we build a IoT-based project. So for that, we use a ESP32 processor. It have a low cost and low power consumption, and also it have a 38 pins on it. Each pins have different purpose. Like if you see in the picture, there is enable, reset, ground, VIN, and GIOP. That means General Input Output Protocol. There is ADC. It means analog to digital converter. And there is DAC DAC, which means digital to analog converter. And there is more like, but we use those pins for our projects. This is the circuit design for our system. It have two sensor. First one is DHT11 sensor. It is for measuring the temperature and humidity, and second one is to measure the soil moisture. Those two sensors send the analog data to ESP32, and ESP32 convert those analog data into digital data, so we can use those data for our projects. It also have many other components like LED resistors, capacitors, and also a 5-volt regulator. We face difficulty while connecting ESP32 Blink with Arduino IDE. Like we had to install a driver for ports, and also we had to install libraries like there is DST sensor library, then there is Blink library. Also there is other libraries that we had to install. Then we was able to connect all the things like all the circuit together. And also, we designed this beautiful app interface.
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Tahmid Hassan. Now I am explaining my part. This is the simulation picture of automated water tank circuit. Now I am explaining the simulation of this circuit. Here is the pump, the relay, the buffer timer IC, and the voltage source. Initially, our tank is full, so pump is off here. Now tank is tank is empty, so pump is on. Again, the tank is full, so pump is off. Here all about this simulation. This is the full project picture. Error. When we are demonstrating our project, we face some error. Errors like sensor moisturization. The moisture sensor may give inaccurate reading due to calibration issues, dust accumulation, or environmental interface. Another is connectivity issue. Unstable Wi-Fi or server downtime could disrupt the automated watering schedule, causing either underwatering or overwatering. This is all about my part. My next teammate will discussing other part. Thank you all.
Assalamualaikum, sir. My part is discussion. So this system simplifies plant care by utilizing real-time environment data, reducing the need for manual watering and save users time and effort. It promotes sustainability by ensuring efficient water by and preventing wastage. With IoT integration for remote control and affordable components, the system is practical, accessible, and convenient for busy individuals. So, conclusion. Um, this system makes plant care easier and more efficient. The system promotes wire convention by watering plants only when needed. Cost. So we take some references from YouTube and Google. So that's all, sir. Thank you, sir.